Hey guys, come make special tea with me. This is the brand that we're using. We're gonna start by turning this on. Next, you're gonna take your container of gardening material, and then we're going to weigh out some oregano. Okay, so my scale's being kind of funny because it's not a scale made for this activity. If you know what I mean, you need like an actual gram scale. But this is 2 grams of gardening material. And then you're gonna take your gardening material and you're gonna move it into an oven-safe jar. Okay, and once you've put your gardening material in the mason jar, you're gonna put this in the oven on like between 250 and like 275. Don't put it any higher than 275 for like, I don't know, until it looks brown. Okay, and now that our gardening material has been decarbed, we are gonna add it to our cup with our tea and some water and a little butter, and pour in your hot water. Okay, then you're gonna put your tea in there. Okay, and after pouring in your desired amount of tea, you can now pour in your gardening material. And then you're gonna give it a good mix and let it steep for like 15-20 minutes and then drink it. Trust me, you're gonna be out of this world, girl.